Now, in my previous video, I was teaching you how to use your calculators to calculate probabilities for binomial distribution. This is a Poisson distribution, and I can do this again on my class quiz very quickly. Okay, since the Poisson is about the average number of occurrences in a given interval, there's something called lambda, which you should be aware of. And this says it's a mean call rate of 6 per minute. So my lambda is 6. The question says find the probability that in a given minute there are 9 calls. Now, I could do this manually and write all of this down, e power minus lambda into lambda power 9 over 9 factorial. But my calculator can also do this directly. I go to menu, I go to distribution, I scroll down, and I go to Poisson probability distribution, PD, and I go to variable. I just need the probability of 9, and my lambda is 6. So I get 0.0688.